First, call us for a free 9-minute consultation and speak with one of our project managers about your project. Then you send pictures and videos to info@mattbeth.com of what you need so we can review your project. Afterward, a project manager will be assigned to your project and will arrange a site consultation. After gathering all the data we need during the site consultation, we will prepare a quote for your project. Once you agree, we sign a contract and start to build your dream. Of course, afterward, you'll leave us an epic review online and tell all your friends about us. So click on the link for your free 9-minute consultation to get your project started today. And thank you for choosing MattBeth.
Outstanding job. They were here early when they said they was going to be here. They did everything exactly that we wanted to. They even went to a point where we was trying to pay him, and he trusted us so well that we had his check. But the guy is awesome. His crew was awesome. They was on time, and I totally endorse him.